In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to paste PDF in Outlook email body. We'll walk through a simple, reliable way to include a PDF in your email using Outlook on the web, so your recipients can easily open or download it right from the message. Start by opening your web browser and going to Google. In the search bar, type Outlook and press Enter. This is a quick way to get to the official Outlook site if you don't have it bookmarked. In the results, click the official Microsoft Outlook website to open your mailbox. Make sure you're on the legitimate Outlook page before proceeding. Once your inbox loads, click New Mail to start composing a new message. This button is usually at the top left of the page. A Compose window will appear on the right or in a new pane. Click inside the message body to place your cursor. Doing this ensures the formatting and insert options are available for your draft. Next, look to the top toolbar and click Insert. This reveals options for adding different kinds of content to your email. Choose Attach File. This tells Outlook you want to include a document with your message. Then click Browse this computer. That opens your computer's file picker, so you can navigate to wherever your PDF is saved. In the File window, locate the PDF you want to include. Select the file, then Confirm. Outlook will upload the PDF and add it to your message. You'll see it appear in the Compose window as an attachment, usually displayed beneath the subject line or near the bottom of the message area. This is the standard way Outlook includes PDFs inside an email. Most email clients, including Outlook, don't render multi-page PDFs inline within the text body, so attaching the PDF is the best method to make it accessible directly from the email. A couple of quick tips for a smooth send. Give your PDF a clear file name so the recipient knows exactly what it is, and keep an eye on file size. If your PDF is very large, consider compressing it beforehand, so it uploads and delivers faster. After attaching, you can add your message content around it, and your recipients will be able to open or download the PDF directly from the email you're composing. That's the process from start to finish. Open Outlook, start a new message, click Insert, choose Attach File, select Browse this computer, and pick your PDF. Follow these steps, and you'll have your document ready for your recipients in just a few clicks.